Mr. Rajagopal, just hold on. One, they not only just consulted, but allowed vetting, which you are also conceding now. You conceded that the vetting did take place. And what were the kind of vetting which took place?
Yeah.
That you did not have a formula for distribution of coal mines. You did not have a broadsheet prepared as to why A should get and why B should not get. And with these kind of major facts which are emerging about the absence of any kind of record with the Ministry of the Coal, and for which the Prime Minister happens to be the minister, it is also going to have a bearing on the very merit of the case on which all of us have been saying nepotism has prevailed. And therefore, your vetting has been with a kind of malified intention. That is very clearly
established. Let him now respond to you.
Arnab, there's a case there in it, and there's nothing. There's no interference in the investigation of the case diary. The case diary is intact, and the Supreme Court can always call for the case diary, and there's no interference on the government in the course of investigation. It is a routine thing the law minister who does in every matter of every department. Whenever there's a filing before the High Court or Supreme Court, it's been a routine matter.
I want to draw you in. No, gentlemen, we'll have to talk about this now.
In which case, if it's routine changes, what's the second affidavit in the court? Even that's a lie, is it?
Well, I ask a question here.
Arnab, you are running a caption, and the caption says decisive Wednesday.
Now you'll
How
say
can you decide things on Tuesday?
Mr.
Please wait for Wednesday.
May I ask you?
And let's know what happens tomorrow.
So may I ask you, Mr. Dr. Mehboob Beg, a simple question, because I feel today that you are a very forthright man, but tonight on the news you don't want to talk about the subject because perhaps, is it true? I have heard a buzz that you have, all the UPA allies and supporting parties have got calls from the Congress party saying, look here, talk about the parliament disruption, don't talk about Ashwini Kumar because that's a touchy subject.
Absolutely not.
Have you been told
so?
No,
absolutely not.
Have you been told
so? Let me put it on record, yes.
Including the NC,
Please
NCP,
believe you me. Please believe you me. Nothing like it. I told you in the beginning.
Then I'm asking you a follow-up question. Now I'm asking you a follow-up question.
Yeah, please.
My follow-up question to you is, Dr. Mehboob Beg, is it normal that the scope of inquiry of an investigating agency is decided by those who are under investigation?
No, Arnab, there is...
Is it normal?
No, Arnab, why do we go from one thing to another thing and then another thing, then mix of things? I told you in the beginning, yes, the nation is confronted with a menace, with an evil called corruption.
What does this affidavit tell you, sir? Is this affidavit revealing corruption or not, sir?
Sir, the entire matter is lying before Honorable Court.
Sir.
And as you said and said rightly, decisive Wednesday. If Wednesday the order comes from the court and it indicts somebody, he has to go. He will have to go.
Well,
there is no second opinion on that.
But the government has said very clearly that he will not go.
No.
The government has put its weight behind the law minister. That's also a fact, Kamal Farooqi. The government has put its weight lock, stock and barrel behind the law minister on this one. And like in previous occasions, after all the sound and fury, eventually the Samajwadi Party is also going to fall in line because you're not ready for an election in Uttar Pradesh.
No,
it will boil down to politics.
First of all, I don't agree with what your observation is. We don't fall down like this. We are a principal party. We do it like that. As far as we are concerned,
you're a supportive party. You're supporting the government.
We are supporting from outside. We are not the partner over there, and we want that the parliament should run. But at the same time, we also want that honourable. I'm very positive man. I'm pretty sure that Supreme Court tomorrow is going to fix up some guidelines in future wherein CBI would be a little bit more independent than what actually we have been watching.
And that's the end of the Ashwini Kumar matter?
Maybe perhaps.
Wow, that's a revealing statement. That's a revealing statement.
Perhaps he has to go.
What is your position?
We'll see the judgment tomorrow.
Will you be guided by the Congress position? What is your own position?
We'll be guided by the honorable.
Why does a political party that always has a position on independently not have one on this one?
We will be guided by the honorable Supreme Court order.
Nirmala Sitharaman is not convinced.
There is no party which is not going to respect what the Supreme Court is going to say. We'll all respect it. But as Samajwadi Party, are you telling us that you have no position on this matter? Was the interference by the law minister right or wrong? Did he tamper with the status report which was otherwise not supposed to have been seen by him? Why, if at all, then they lied in the first place? the contempt, the perjury, all that is definitely in the court. But what is your position? Did the law minister
He's saying
try
I
to
don't have a
interfere?
position.
Did the law minister interfere for just the national interest, or was he trying to protect somebody?
Arnab,
And who is that somebody then?
No,
Arnab,
it's an
Arnab.
open challenge thrown at you. I think you must respond, sir.
No, is he challenging me? What
Yes.
for?
I'm asking you a
He's
question.
asking you.
sir. I'm asking you a question.
All these questions which he has put in, all these questions are before the Honorable Supreme Court.
No,
We will see tomorrow what is the observation of the Supreme Court.
And
then we'll take a call.
meanwhile, Arnab, what will happen to land acquisition bill? As important a bill as land acquisition bill, our growth story is coming down.
yes,
It's
an attempt to
crashing
change
down.
the goalpost?
Why do you deprive the people of this country from the benefits
Put the
of
question to
things
her
like
directly.
this?
Very
Why
nice
do
that
you deprive
very,
people?
very nice that the national conference is also thinking about it. All of us are concerned about the people.
I
But
think
being
Arnab-
an alliance partner, I want to ask the national conference. After 2009 election, within 100 days, this was one of the promises. Why did it take them all the while that in another one parliament session we are going for an election at the end of the 5th year, you suddenly remembered
Because-
when there's so many scandals that you wanted to bring in the food security
Never
bill?
ever. If you look at the history,
100 days promise. What has happened to that?
What is the intent in your view?
2009.
What is the intent
Look
in
at
your
it.
view? Be clear.
Never
It is just-
ever have they
No.
allowed the parliament to function. Never ever. Entire winter session washed out. Entire budget session washed out. They don't allow.
Yeah.
They don't allow.
And being an alliance partner of a party which
They don't
hasn't
allow.
contained inflation, which has not taken any step towards containing corruption, what are you sitting there for? You should actually come out and fight them. If you're really so worried about
No,
corruption,
come out
come
and
out.
demolish the system. Don't allow the parliament to function.
be in
Demolish
alliance
the
with a
system.
corrupt party.
The said system.
Be in alliance with a
The
corrupt
said
party.
system. Come on, debate this.
Yeah.
Ask questions from the government. Yes.
What
take them to
questions
task.
have you asked of your
Take
alliance
them to
partner?
task. Make them
I am
accountable.
told, I'm
But
touched.
don't demolish the institution.
I am touched with this. I'm touched.
That's
I'm
right.
touched, Ms.
You're
Dr.
very
Mehboob
touched.
Beg, with your aggression on the issue of institutional, integrity of the legislative system and the fact that it has to work. But may I humbly remind you that when you were on the opposition, when you were in the opposition in Jammu and Kashmir, the maximum number of disruptions has been done by your party in the state assembly,
No,
sir.
that doesn't justify.
No,
Number
but-
one,
no,
you are
but-
wrong. Number one, you are wrong. Number two,
Sir, I am
that doesn't
absolutely right. I
justify.
can show
That
the
doesn't
figures.
justify.
I want to ask
One
the national
negative does not make
conference.
another negative a positive.
I want to
Two
ask the
negatives
national
are negative,
conference.
but it never happened in
Sir,
state of
I-
the
I want to ask the national
Never ever.
conference, what were they doing when PJ Thomas's appointment was being done in the CBC? What were they doing about 2G? Have they ever discussed with the union government as to why corrupt ministers are still being encouraged? Why didn't you raise a question about it in the parliament? You may be in alliance, but you have a separate position. You remained quiet, tolerating the
I have an
corruption.
answer. I have an answer for it. I have an answer it. You did the same thing in Karnataka, and you will see the result tomorrow.
That is
Let
a
it be-
different
let it
answer,
happen.
sir.
You
That's a
did
different
it the
answer.
same thing.
That's
The
a
corruption
different answer.
continued over there. You did it, and you will have the face tomorrow.
I want to ask the Samajwadi then, when you really are in alliance even from outside, the speeches you gave when the price rise issue was being discussed, you spoke and so much of tears you shed for the common man, saying he is burdened by price rise. Why didn't you vote against along with the BJP and other parties? You voted for that government which couldn't contain the price. What was your double standard there? Or what was the pressure on you? Was it the same
Talking about
CBI?
a double standard.
So, obviously, when did you vote for them? You're in support of a party which is allowing the inflation to continue.
Kamal Farooq,
Where were you at that
is there
time?
an understanding between the Samajwadi Party and the Congress that go soft on this one against us on the government, support us in shifting the goalpost, and later we will also, be a little more understanding as far as your CBI case is concerned?
You may be knowing it much better. We do not have
You
that
have
kind of
experienced it far more.
We don't have any
You've
idea.
experienced it
You are
far
telling
more.
us good
Have-
that I'll check it up from my bosses.
Have you no experience?
Absolutely not.
Have you no experience?
We have all the experience, but
Have you no experience of the way in which the CBI has been used against your party?
We are a very.
May I remind you? May I remind you of the winter
we
of
are a very-
2008?
We are a very responsible party.
May
We
I
are a
remind you of
very
the winter of
responsible party.
2008?
No, we remember each and
When
everything.
discussions were going on with the Samajwadi Party and
we
a
are a
case was
very
used against
responsible
you.
party, and we want to see that the institutions must work. We want to see that CBI should become independent. We want to see that the Supreme Court order should be honored. We want to see that the corruption should go.
No,
All
you
those
may
things.
also-
I think you're all broad homilies, but you're not being specific.
No, Arnab, you may remind the
You're not being
Samajwadi
specific.
Party of their Neta's recent statement as to how the CBI has been misused
That's what
against
exactly we are
them.
saying, and that is
And
what
therefore,
we are saying
you
that it's a
speak
silver
one way
lining.
and
Perhaps
vote the other way.
Perhaps Supreme Court will make a.
Okay, Rahul Mehra, the government says off record that if it's a rap on the knuckles, then Ashwini Kumar will not go. If it's something more than a rap on the knuckles, he'll go. Suppose tomorrow there is a rap on the knuckles and, long-term institutional changes suggested by the court, and the government says, we will certainly look into the changes and improvements that can be made in the system, and can we please move on from this extremely uncomfortable subject? What will happen then?
Or no, less said the better about this government, which is one of the most corrupt governments India has ever seen. They have absolutely no ethics, no morality, and now today they are also tampering with the legalities and the legal issues. All I can say is hopefully we'll sooner than later see the back of this government. But that's on we the people, how we decisively get down to vote. But coming to the issue that you've raised, there are two things which I want to say. Every time as a practitioner of law, we are told, let law take its own course. But I think there are different laws which take different courses within the corridors of power. And I hope that the Supreme Court does not stop just by taking one step. It should go the whole hog. And I just hope and wish tomorrow it's not only the joint secretaries who are taken to task or the director CBI who's taken to task, but the people who have tampered and the people who have clearly vitiated the process of justice and vitiated the entire investigating process as it is known by having the suspects look at the status report, change the status report materially and substantially, not grammatically. It is about time. It is about time that the Supreme Court sends a message loud and clear. And that is the only hope that Aam Aadmi has.
And I said this a few days back, that the more you defend law minister, the more you are getting yourself into a tangle.
So I'm sure
Now you
tomorrow
are getting
Supreme
yourself
Court,
into a tangle.
Supreme Court will appreciate the fact
Rajagopal,
that
my
government
question
has
to
not
you
done
is,
anything
has your
improper.
government and your Prime Minister already got themselves into a tangle? Are
I'm
they
sure.
totally entangled
I'm sure tomorrow
in
Supreme
this
Court will
case right
appreciate
now
the
by
fact
defending Ashwini Kumar?
will appreciate the fact that the government or the law officer or the law minister has not tampered with anything. They have not done anything improper. What they have done is a routine thing of looking into the report. In fact, it's just a
This is
status
routine.
report. It is just a status report. It is a government-appointed CBI inquiry, and the joint
Is it
secretaries
routine?
are there to assist that. And definitely, Supreme Court will go into all these facts and appreciate there's nothing wrong. There will not be rap on the
Routine.
knuckles
So let
or
me
anything.
ask-
I'm very, very sure about that.
Counter
Let me
question
ask-
from the BJP. 3 minutes on the debate. What is
the
routine?
Congress then contradicting the affidavit with second affidavit also? The second affidavit admits that they were tampered with, and they have also given 4 specific instances of lines being deleted, which are very core and germane to the case. Is the Congress party then saying the second affidavit is also lying?
Do you not believe the second affidavit the BJP is asking you tonight?
See, if you look at Arnav, it is just a status report, and then the law minister has authority to look into it,
You
and
are
then there is a
already
question of
made in the
tampering
status
with
report.
investigation.
No, what
See, law
changes
minister has
made in
not
the
gone into
status
investigation report.
No, what
Not gone
changes
into the
made
case
in the
diary. This
status
case
report?
diary
Who
there.
asked for the changes in the status
See,
report?
no, I think
At
you
whose
understand the
instance were changes
procedure
made in
here.
the status
There is a
report?
case diary here, and case diary is not tampered with it, and Supreme Court will definitely can go through that. There's nothing wrong in it. Unfortunately, like I said, they're trying to make a mountain of the molehill.
Last question for you. Please tell the people of this country watching the News Hour tonight. Tell the people of this country watching the News Hour tonight, Mr. Rajagopal, as a ruling party member of parliament, is it normal for the government to suggest to the CBI what the scope of inquiry should be? Is it normal for the government to tell the CBI which parts of its tentative findings should be deleted?
In this
Is
case,
this normal?
No, in this
Is
case,
this procedural?
Yes, Arnav.
Is
in
this what
case,
an investigating agency
Please.
has come down to?
Arnav, in this case, it is the government which has appointed the CBI inquiry. It is the government which has given the guidelines. It is the government which has asked them to look into what parameters. In fact, the issue came up when CAG said that the policy
the
of...
government is being
So
investigated.
if you look at it, the government
is being investigated. Last
It
counter.
is the government
All
which has
this
asked
may
them
be
to-
government.
Arnav, when
Whom
government
are you
asked them to look
submitting
into
the
the...
status report is my question.
No,
Is it to the
Arnav,
Congress party
please,
or
let
is
me
it to
answer,
the
Arnav,
court?
I'm not completed. Let me answer the questions because a lot of people are casting aspirations on the government headed by Manmohan Singh, the most honest politician we ever had. And this government is allowing every institution to function independently. This government is not coming in anybody's way. If at all this government has to
Response, Rahul
interfere,
Mehra is laughing
has to
on that.
influence,
Rahul Mehra
they
is
could have
amused.
done it
Rahul
in
Mehra
different
response.
way. not
Let's get quick
openly.
responses to this defense of the Prime Minister on the news hour tonight. Rahul Mehra, please, why are you amused by what Rajagopal is saying?
Arnab, yes, this is the most honest government, this is the most ethical government, this is the government which has set new standards for morality in India. This is a government which obeys law, this is a government which doesn't tamper with justice, it doesn't tamper with the investigating agencies, it doesn't behave like a master and reduces the CBI to a puppet. I applaud the Congress leader who's saying all this. I think the people of India are slightly more wiser than you think that we are, and I hope that we the people of India really show you as a party and as a group
Arnab,
of
let him get his
as
facts
to where
right.
you exactly
This is-
belong
this is-
when the next elections really happen. I just hope and wish you wait for that day.
Because
politically
Prime Minister Manmohan Singh,
We the people have, you can
Mr.
have,
Sharan, this
you
is
can have
totally
all these
political
things
now
happening
tomorrow.
over 5
Can-
years.
can you say the
But
Prime Minister
sometimes
Manmohan Singh is corrupt?
democracy, we the people can also have the last laugh.
Attachment to politics.
no, Mr. Arnab, let the gentleman
Work with
say,
politicians closer than most of us.
Arnab, is the gentleman saying that Prime Minister Manmohan Singh is corrupt, is dishonest? Is he not allowing every institution to function
You are saying
independently?
so. You are saying so.
Am I cooking up a
I never
story
said
here?
that. You are saying so.
He is one of the best persons to be Prime Minister of India at this stage.
At any stage, the most
Well, we'll
qualified
see what
and the
happens
most
in
honest.
court tomorrow, Mr. Sharan. I put a question here. If Ashwini Kumar gets affected tomorrow, will the line of fire be directly on the Prime Minister? We are following this debate. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very much for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.